Question 20. Lou bought a plasma TV which was priced at $3,499. He paid $1,000 deposit and got a loan for the balance that was paid off by 24 monthly installments of $135.36. What simple interest rate per annum to the nearest percent was charged on his loan? The question is asking for the simple interest rate per annum, or the flat rate of interest per annum. So ultimately we will be using the formula I equals P times R times N and rearranging that formula to make R the subject, since R represents the simple interest rate per annum. Now the first thing we need to work out is the balance owing, because the balance owing represents the principal or the amount borrowed. So the balance owing is equal to the cash price of the TV, so $3,499 minus the deposit paid, which is $1,000. And that equals $2,499. And that's represented by the pronumeral capital P, which represents the principal. The next thing we need to work out is the total value of the repayments. So to pay off the balance owing, Lou is going to be paying 24 monthly installments of $135.36 per month. So the total repayments is 135.36 times 24, which equals $3,248.64. Now this is obviously larger than the principal or the balance owing, which means interest has been added to that amount. So to work out the value of the interest that's been added, we take the value of the total repayments, so that's $3,248.64, and we take away from that the value of the principal or the balance owing, which is $2,499. And that equals $749.64. And that's represented by capital I, which represents the value of the interest that's paid. The last thing we need is the value of N, which represents the amount of time that the loan is outstanding for. So the loan has been taken out for 24 months, which is equivalent to 2 years. So N is equal to 2. So applying the simple interest formula, I equals P times R times N, where I is 749.64, P is equal to 2,499, and N is equal to 2. We can make R the subject by dividing 749.64 by 2,499 and then again dividing by 2. So R is equal to 749.64 divided by 2,499 divided by 2, and then multiplying that by 100 to convert R into an interest rate or a percentage interest rate, and that equals 14.9987 and so on percent per annum, which rounds to 15% per annum correct to the nearest percent. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.